Hi, this is Prince Joseph and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making chicken Alfredo with bacon bits. So how this is going to go down is that I have some bacon bits that I'm going to fry and then place it on the side, and I'm going to use that as toppings on the chicken Alfredo that I'm about to make. So let's get on with it. As a garnish, we're gonna chop up some fresh parsley and set it aside for later. After chopping up the parsley, we're also going to use bacon bits as toppings. So I'm going to cut it using your kitchen scissors. We're gonna lightly season this chicken, and we don't necessarily have to marinate it for long, because since the seasoning is just gonna be light, and it's gonna go in the oven for approximately 45 minutes, and we'll add that to our meal. I'm gonna be using my own seasoned salt that I like, for my chicken, and you can use any type of seasoning that you prefer. Season it lightly, and I'll let it sit for approximately maybe 10 minutes, to get it to marinate quickly before going into the oven, and then we'll have our chicken bacon in the oven. Just sprinkle a little bit of olive oil, and I'll add a touch of thyme, just to get it and give it a fresh aroma. And there we go. I hope you like how it looks. Now we're going to boil our pasta, and then the pasta is going to be al dente. We have our water boiling, and then I'm going to add a bit of salt to the water, and then I'll add a bit of olive oil as well. And the olive oil usually prevents the spaghetti from sticking. So there we go with our spaghetti. Oh wow, look how nice it looks. It's gluten free. I was gonna break them in half, but I think I'll leave them to curl up by themselves, and then they'll figure themselves out in the bowl. Yeah. I'll take the chance to fry the bacon, just to prepare it and get it ready. Our pasta will boil for approximately 13 minutes. And it should be ready. I don't want the oil to be very hot, so I'm just gonna place the bacon in and leave it for it to take its time to fry. Spread them out so they don't attach themselves to each other. We're trying to have individual pieces. Our bacon is looking very good. It's looking very nice. Our bacon looks really good. Oh, that was a nice sizzle. Now it's time for me to make the Alfredo sauce, and then I'll add the pasta in order to start to have some butter. I'm adding butter, which I'm going to be cooking at low heat as it's frying. I'm going to be adding in a teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic. Now our garlic is nice and golden. So the next stage is you add in your whipping cream, and you can also add milk to it if you prefer, but in this case I'm only using the whipping cream. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. It looks lovely. Wow. And I'm gonna leave it. I'm just gonna leave it to boil a little bit, but I prefer to keep stirring it slowly so it doesn't curl. As it begins to boil, now you add in your Parmesan cheese. It could be grated, but you could grate it yourself, but I bought already grated cheese. That is also, a personal choice. Good. We're doing well here. I hope you try my recipe and tell me what you think. I'm going to repeat the same statement after I'm done with it, when I serve it. Now my Alfredo sauce has light bubbles, which means you can transfer your spaghetti in there at any time. Wow, this is nice. So before you transfer the pasta in, you turn your burner to low, and then you transfer your beautiful boiled or half-boiled spaghetti inside of your sauce. This looks good. This looks good. Now you mix your sauce, and and your spaghetti together. So you have the sauce all around your spaghetti. Now, Alfredo is almost done. So I'm going to turn off the burner, and I'm going to be dealing with the chicken now. Wow, this chicken looks amazing. Oh my God. I didn't have to make chicken this way. That is nice. This is really nice. I'm proud of myself. That's a beautiful piece of chicken. I baked it with the skin on it. Don't judge me. I like chicken with skin. I like my chicken with skin. I think it makes it taste better. It tastes better this way. You can remove your skin if you want to. If you don't, you can keep it on just like I did. Okay, this is our baked chicken. So I'm gonna cut it up in little strips, and that will go into our the Alfredo sauce. Look how juicy this chicken is. It looks really juicy, and it's definitely gonna taste really good too. I wish you were here to try it with me. Now we're getting ready to serve our dish. We're gonna plate it so you see the finished product. Yeah, due to some technical difficulties, I couldn't show you when I was adding the chicken broth, as I mentioned earlier, and then also I also added a little bit of parsley for it to cook, and I'm going to use the rest to garnish. We're going to be adding our chicken to it now. Chicken on the side, chicken around it and around, circling the area, real nice. I don't know where you can find such a meal. You know, this is priceless. Garnish with a little bit of parsley on top as we add our bacon bits. And let's sprinkle more cheese on top of it just to make it look good. And for the cheese lovers, knock yourselves out. Thank you very much for watching my show. This is the end result. This is the end product. Really nice. I hope you try this at home. My chicken Alfredo with bacon bits and a little touch of parsley. I'll see you soon. I'm Prince Joseph, and I love you. Peace.